Making sense of inseparable phrasal verbs with multiple meanings. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another insightful lesson. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of inseparable phrasal verbs. Specifically, we'll explore those with multiple meanings. It might sound complex, but don't worry. We'll take it step by step, and by the end, you'll have a firm grasp of these interesting language constructs. Let's start at the beginning. Inseparable phrasal verbs are phrasal verbs in which the verb and particle must stay together. The particle cannot be separated from the verb and placed elsewhere in the sentence. For instance, let's take a look at the phrasal verb, run into. Here, run is our verb and into is our particle. We can say, I ran into an old friend. We cannot separate the verb and particle. I ran an old friend into is incorrect. Now, let's tackle inseparable phrasal verbs with multiple meanings. These are verbs that, depending on context, can have more than one meaning. This is where it gets really interesting. Let's use the same phrasal verb, run into, as an example. In our previous sentence, I ran into an old friend. It means to unexpectedly meet someone. But, run into, can also mean to encounter a problem or difficulty. For example, we ran into some trouble with the car. Here are some more examples of these multifaceted verbs. 1. Look after. 2. Can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? Meaning, to take care of. 3. You should look after your health. Meaning, to pay attention to. 4. Come across. 5. I came across a lovely cafe in the city. Meaning, to find by chance. 6. He came across as a very knowledgeable person. Meaning, to appear or seem. 7. Go through. 8. She went through a difficult time after her mother's death. Meaning, to experience. 9. We need to go through these reports by tomorrow. Meaning, to examine or review. There you have it, folks. You now know more about inseparable phrasal verbs with multiple meanings. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice. So try to incorporate these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations. It might be a little tricky at first, but it will soon become second nature. Until next time, happy learning, and keep practicing.